Two insurance giants face off, but when it comes to protecting what matters, which one truly stands out? On one side, the flexible, widely recognized Progressive. On the other, the dependable, customer-focused Nationwide. Let's forget the marketing hype and get down to what really matters. We'll score each category and you'll see exactly who comes out ahead at the end. And trust me, the winner might just surprise you. Okay, quick peek at our roadmap for this comparison. We'll be looking at price, customer satisfaction, claims experience, digital tools, coverage options, and of course, the all-important support and local agents. Let's get right into it. First up, price. Progressive usually brings some seriously competitive rates to the table. I mean, they throw out discounts left and right, especially with their snapshot program and if you bundle things up. Now, word of caution. Prices sometimes jump after claims, which kind of stings. As for Nationwide, they offer their own discounts for safe driving and bundling too, but honestly, for certain groups their average rates can be a bit on the high side. So yeah, on pure wallet friendliness, Progressive takes the lead here. Moving on to customer satisfaction. Progressive really leans into making everything as easy as possible thanks to their slick online tools. Getting started is super straightforward. But here, the thing, some folks aren't thrilled with how claims get handled. Now, Nationwide, they're the kind of company that has a solid service reputation. In fact, they consistently pull in good scores from JD Power, so you know people are pretty happy. Only gripe, their customer portal just isn't as flashy as Progressive's. Overall, Nationwide absolutely shines here, pulling ahead in this category. Alright, let's talk claims experience. Progressive is fast, like you can file a claim online or snap photos right from their app. Kinda cool, right? But some customers complain about what happens with those settlements. Nationwide, though, has built a name for being fair with claim settlements, and they've got real, local agents walking you through things. The only catch? If you don't go online, things can feel a little slow. In the end, Nationwide edges Progressive out when it comes to claims. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Progressive was actually the very first auto insurer to launch a quote website? Way back in 1995, that's some internet history right there. Time for digital tools, and okay, I have to give it to Progressive here. Their mobile app is slick, highly rated, gives you digital ID cards, instant quotes, all the snapshot telematics stuff. Basically, they've gone all in on tech. Downside, they don't focus much on local agents. Nationwide has the usual app for managing your policy, but let's be real, it's missing that wow factor and no real advanced features. So Progressive definitely wins the tech game. Next, coverage options. Progressive has all the basics down, plus some cool extras like rideshare coverage and loan lease payoff, but you might notice they don't have every custom add-on and gap coverage can be kinda limited. Nationwide, though, brings out the big guns: accident forgiveness, vanishing deductible, bundles for days. The catch is that going wild with all those extras can jack up your price. Still, Nationwide shows that, for coverage flexibility, they've got the edge. Now for support and local agents. Progressive is pretty much always on. Phone, chat, and mobile support are all there, no problem. But if you're after that personal touch, not really their vibe, it's mostly remote service. Nationwide. Massive agent network, super personalized advice, but fair warning, the quality of service is gonna depend on who your local agent is. Even so, Nationwide clearly wins here for hands-on attention. Now, if you look at the overall scorecard, you can really see the trade-offs. Progressive totally owns the digital side and pricing, while Nationwide is more about service and deep coverage. So honestly, if you're the kind of driver who likes doing everything from your phone and saving a few bucks, Progressive is probably your best bet. But if you want tons of coverage options and a real person to call when things go sideways, I'd say Nationwide is the way to go. Like insurance comparisons like this, stay tuned for future updates.